Welcome back to Model Maniac Tips and Tricks. Here I'm going to show you today how to make a durable sanding stick out of ordinary nail polishing stick. A nail polishing stick is quite inexpensive. It's not so very durable, and you can only use them for a short while. They break easy, and well, you can't use them in water. So for this project you will need one sanding stick. I can use an old one. You need sandpaper, in this case wet grinding paper. You can choose every size and grains you want for it, but I have used P180 for this one. You also need super glue, and I will show you how to do this. First you start with a little water. You have to remove the outside paper of this sanding stick, and you can do it by soaking the whole thing in water, because it's not very durable in water. It's useless to wet grind with. Then you just remove the paper, in this case the upper layer. Just easier said than done, but a bit more water will fix it. There you go. Remove that one. Here comes the other part too, I think. There we go. Now we just have the paper left on it, and we have got to have just wet it down, soak it up, so that we get to the core of the problem. And we remove the paper by just rolling it off the top of it. Quite easy to do it once it gets wet, and here you can see why it's not suitable for wet grinding. So here we have the inner core of it. All the paper is removed. Dry it off a bit, like that. Remove the water, like that. Here we have the ordinary sanding stick. And here we have the core of it, and this is a flexible plastic core. On this one we will apply super glue. I have prefabricated 2 sheets of paper here, and you just apply super glue and press down like that for a few seconds. Then you take it up with the super glue abrasive paper on it, and you cut along sides, and the result is this. When you're finished, I can show that. Here is the end result, and here is a abrasive paper for wet grinding, and this one won't lose, it won't break, and you can just clean it with water when you're done with it. And this is flexible too, as you can see. You can have different type of grains on either side. This side is just one type of grain, but here you can have 2 types of grain. I've just made one side on this one because I haven't got the paper for the other side. But it shows you that it's very simple and easy to make flexible, durable sanding sticks out of something very cheap and utterly useless as a fact. Thank you. Welcome back for more information about tips and tricks.